Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to deploy the application onto the mobile device. So as previous videos, we implemented this simple app. I'll just give you a demo on this particular application for now, and then let's get started. Ionic serve. So once after the demo, I am going to tell you what are the different steps required to include capacitor iOS and Android into your project. So here we go ahead, and this is a simple application what we have built. As soon as the application loads, there are so many different tabs what we have part of this. So one is tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3. The tab 1 is a very simple UI. I'll just maximize a bit. I'll just say it's a to-do creation, so I'll just go ahead and say the title. Say title 1 and the description 1. So add it, and again I'll just say one more title. Say title 2 and description 2. So it's a simple card application. What we have is one card, and then there is the other card with a list, and this is the total number of to-dos what we have. I can go ahead and close one of it if I required on this small icon, the cancel button, and then let's open up this entire project in Xcode for iOS. And the later video I'll show you how to open up the project inside Android Studio and run the application on the Android device. Alright, for now I'll just stop the demo here, and then I'll open up my IDE. I close the server. As we already have the complete package built on, I am going to tell you the list of commands that needs to be used to add Android and iOS to the Angular application, which is the Ionic application. So these are the list of commands we need to do. First thing is to add the dependency npm install capacitor iOS. So as soon as you run this, the required dependency, you can able to see it in package.json file. So if you look at it, I have iOS. Similar to iOS, and we need to run it for Android. We need to say npm install capacitor Android. Then this particular dependency will get added to your project. So once you have these dependencies, we can say let's say ionic capacitor add iOS, right? This is the command what I'm going to use. So once I have the iOS, once this command is run successful, you can able to see that there is a folder which get created called iOS folder, and it has the required project setup for the iOS. And similar to that Android, if I run this command ionic capacitor add Android, automatically it adds on this particular platform into the ionic project, and this Android folder will get created with the required files for the project. So once we have the complete setup, so we need to run ionic capacitor build Android or iOS. So this will trigger a build specific for Android and iOS, and once we have this generated, we can copy over the build, which is ionic capacitor copy for iOS. It copies the complete set of bundles into your Android or iOS folder depending on the platform which you provide here, and then I can just open up in the Xcode. So what I'll do is I'll just run a simple command ionic capacitor open iOS. So it will open up my Xcode editor. If you look at the bottom, it just popped up and it opened up completely. So you can see I already connected my phone here. If you have not, this particular phone is on display, you can go to this particular section here, click on it, say add additional simulators. There is a devices and simulators, so you can add the devices, and this particular device will you can configure whatever the device you connect to your laptop. So once you have the device, there is an option where we need to say that we need to set the project signing up for that particular app. So we need to tell which team, automatically we need to manage the signing. So I already have the account created. If we don't have the account, then we can go ahead and add the account over here, or if you already added, it will be displayed over here. So you just need to select this particular account. So what I'm going to do is I'll just select that account, and then I'll just start the build. So if I start the build from here, it automatically start the application in my phone. So meanwhile, I'm going to share my screen from the quick player, my mobile phone screen, and capture the video to show you my mobile device. So let me see, new movie recording. Okay, this is my laptop, and then this is the phone. This is the phone which I have it already. So if you look at it, I can go to the settings, right? And then I can go to the general, and once I have it in the general, I can go to the VPN and device management. So this is required to trust that particular application once it's deployed. So what I'm going to do is, let me just select what is required, and then I'll just get started here with the required build. So as soon as I click, you can see that the build in progress. It requires a bit of time. So the build is succeeded and it is installing onto my phone. And if you look at the installation, I think it is there on my phone, but it takes, okay. So you can look at it, it's untested developer. So for that, what do we need is, we need to go to the settings, app. If you look at here, we have this app development, which is from my account, and then I just need to say trust, click OK. So once I trust this application, this is the ionic YouTube application what is been developed. Once this application is succeeded, you can look at that particular application into your mobile device. So we have this here at the end of the screen. So when you click on it, it open up the application in your mobile. So I am currently using my mobile phone, so I'm just going to do, let's say, the title and test description. Okay, say submit. So I can add it, or either I can remove it. So the similar application is working on your mobile, similar to what the other application work, exactly like how the application looks like in your mobile devices. So I'll add one more test, say test 1, add it, say test 2, and this is device testing. All right, so once I have it, so I can go ahead and delete if I required. And this is how you can open up the Xcode editor and you can deploy your application. For that, you need to do those set of configuration which I just showcased. Well, if I want to close it, I can just go ahead and close it. And if you look at it back again, I can reopen it again. So this is how you deploy the application into the Android phones to test the application. And we'll have a different video where we'll showcase for Android, as well as for how to push this application to production, right? So we need a bit of activity to be done. For now, I'll close this video here. Hope you guys enjoy this. Please comment below and let me know if you guys need more information. I will record a different video for the Android device. Thank you so much and have a nice day.